Yo.
It's a perfect day for football out here today. The crowd's ready, the players are ready. Let's have a great game.
Alright, let's see. Let's hope I don't have to leave this time either. Birmingham called heads. Is tails. Colorado gets the ball first. Ball's kicked off, and here we go. It's going to be a touchback, and it's going to be 1st and 15 now. Looks like we're getting ready to play this game now. Colorado has the ball first here at the... God damn, I don't even know what yard line it is. 35? Ball snapped. First play of the SEC Championship game. It's caught for the 1st and 10. Sorry, 1st and 15. Gain of 22 there. As you see on the bottom, we have all of our conference games complete. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I kind of like the field, how it's all snowy and everything too. I like how he did the Bluebirds and the Blizzards over here. And then they got the field and everything. It's just tough, I'm not gonna lie. Let's wait for them to hurry this up. Sorry, we got 4 minutes. Yep. Alright, looks like we're restarting that. It could have been a first down, turns into a reset. Yeah, I guess we're still gonna figure out what's going on here. 1 second, let me fix the screen for you guys. Here we go. Yeah, I don't know when they're gonna snap the ball, but we'll see. And incomplete. Yeah, I literally have no idea what's going on. Colorado won't lock in. Something's going on with the refs. Goodness gracious, it's just a fucking shit show. Can you lineman can't, bro. You guys are fucking cones, bro, I swear. Sorry about the dogs in the background. My mom and dad are in the garage cleaning. All snaps. Looking for an open receiver. Can't really see because of the snow. It's right over the head of the receiver. We just let the clock play out so it's 3:50. It's gonna be 2nd and 15 now. Yeah, the area is supposed to be. It's gonna be a lot more cooler than the ACC channel. Like Sua said, it's because of the it being in Alaska. But yeah, ball snaps. Oh, quarterback's running it up the field. Is it a first? Let's see. And it's a gain of 18. Nice little run there by the quarterback. It's going to be a good 1st and 15 now. Sorry about the dogs in the background again. Holy fuck, bro. Looking for an open receiver right down the field. Right over his head. What could have been a gameplay touchdown right there. Turns in. Yeah, I can fix that. Give me 1 second. That's just usually where it's based at. Alright, I think that's better. And a beautiful throw and a touchdown for Colorado. If I can get my thing up. Yep, got a touchdown for Colorado. Oh, whoops, wrong button. Oh well. And Colorado's going to have 7 on the board above the number 4 ranked Birmingham Bluebirds. Yeah, alright, buddy. Yeah, 9. This feels low-key tough, I'm not gonna lie. Tell me if the
We're outside. Keep an eye.
Sorry about that, to deal with the thing. What in the fuck are we doing? Keep in mind, this is the number 4 ranked team in the league, and he's throwing shitty balls like that. Let's go to lock in, Birmingham. Oh my god, bro. Yo, we need to hurry this shit up, bro. This game might take a little longer than expected. Ball snaps. Harp looking for a receiver. And it's picked off by IQQZXX. And it looks like Colorado will be getting the ball back. Yeah, we got a little trash talk here in the chat. We got 3:15 left on the clock. Let me fix the downs real quick. Ball snaps. Wraith looking for a receiver. Oh my fucking god, what are we doing? Oh my lord, bro. Yeah, no problem, Sua. Yo, Thunder, that's absolutely absurd, bro. Blackface Stadium, this Rose Bowl is insane. Alright, ball snaps. Just cracked that door out. Wraith looking for a receiver all the way in the end zone. Thrown up the field right over his head. What could have been a possible catch turns into an incompletion. It's going to be 2nd and 20 now. Forgot to fix that. Sorry about that, guys. I guess we got a little bit of confusion here about the center and quarterback thing. Ball snaps. Wraith looking for a receiver. Has one downfield. Caught. It's going to be Hunter. Got a little bit of lag there, but no biggie. It's going to be the 1st and 15 now. Ain't even going to lie, I cannot tell where the line markers are at because it's fucking snowy as shit over here. Looking for a receiver. Hurdles a player. Tosses upfield. It's caught. It's in. What a beautiful play there by Colorado. And we're going to have 1st and goal here. Got about 1 minute and 53 seconds left in the 1st quarter. Yo, Nyan, why are we typing hashtags here? I'm trolling. And it's going to be incomplete. We got 2nd and goal now. Tossed up the field. It's caught for the touchdown for Colorado. Colorado putting 6 more on the board. 13-0 currently in the SEC Conference Championship game. Yeah. And it's up and it is good. Colorado up 14-0 here in the SEC Championship game. Birmingham, the number 4 ranked team in VFL right now, is down by 2 touchdowns. They need to lock in. He's going to pick it up. Ray. What kind of name is this? Ooh, and a truck. Wow. And a 38-yard return, and he's going to be down at the... Let's see here, 46-yard line, I think. I'll fix the clock before they hike it. There we go. What the f... Yo, these guys need to stop complaining, bro. Yo, I feel bad for these centers, I'm not gonna lie to you. Ball snapped. Holy lag, bro. God damn. Anyways, he's gonna toss it upfield. Has blocks. Taking it up the field. Wide open. A beautiful play. Touchdown, Birmingham. Adding 6 to the board now. Birmingham with the touchdown. 32 PAT is good. 7-14 here in the SEC Championship game. Sorry about that. Ball's kicked off now. We got 1:20 left in this SEC Championship 1st quarter game. Oh, I don't know why I said that. We got 1:15 left in this quarter. Has blockers, but ran around everybody. It's gonna be 1st and 15 at the, let's see here, 38-yard line, I believe. A little snowy, so I can't see. Ball snaps, looking for an open receiver. Ball's up. It's picked off. Birmingham has the ball, and it's picked off. Sorry about that. I had to go mute real quick. Oh my lord. Ball is thrown up right over the receiver. Almost a touchdown, but not quite there. It's going to be 2nd and 15 now. Almost a touchdown play for Birmingham. Got 55 seconds left in this first quarter. Ball snaps. Harp looking for a receiver. Up the middle. Caught. Taking it up the field. Breaks to around like 2 tackles. A gain of 41 there. It's going to be 1st and goal now. Oops, sorry about the dogs. They just keep barking. Anyways, we got about 30 seconds left in this first quarter. 1st and goal now. Here we go. Looking. He can run this if the blocks are right. The field's open. He can run it. Tossed up. Caught. What are you diving at? What the fuck was that? This dude dives at the 3-yard line. We're good though. That's blocks. Running up the field. Touchdown, Birmingham. What a beautiful play there. Adding 6 to the board for Birmingham. Gotta fix the clock here as we got 1 second remaining. Sorry about the dogs in the background. They keep barking. Ball's up and it is good. 14-14 here. 1 second left in the end of the first quarter. We're going to have kickoff now. How many players each got ABA? Ball is kicked off. It's going to be short. He can get a lot of yards on this if the blocks are right. Blocks are looking right. God damn! A boomstick there, and that's going to be the end of the first quarter. Your score here, 14-14, tie game now. Let's fix the clock and everything real fast. Bear with me. Alright. 1st and 15, start of the second quarter at the... Not too sure what yard line is it. The ball snaps. Wraith getting the ball, taking it upfield. Jukes a defender. Going up the field. Has blockers. 1st and more. What a spin move. Breaks a tackle. Takes it in for a touchdown. What a play there by Colorado. Wraith spin move after spin move. And just dives in easy with the touchdown. Adding 6 to the board. Up and good. And it looks like people are saying they just can't tackle, bro, I swear. Ball is kicked off. It's caught, running up the field. Yeah, that hitbox is crazy, bro. The guy just took it upfield. Trucks a defender, dives for a... I don't know how much of a gain that was, but we're going to be down at the 41-yard line. 3:36 left in this half. I gotta check what these units expecting it. Waiting on this quarterback. Ball snaps. Looking around for a receiver. Tossed upfield, and the receiver just cut back too far, but it was also on the quarterback's fault as well. Tossed it a little bit over the receiver. All good though. Ball snaps. Carp looking for a receiver. Has a wide open player in the middle of the field. Tosses up and it's picked off, but it's going to be incomplete. Very, very lucky for Birmingham. Did you see over here in this right side there was an open receiver? Didn't look for him though and tried tossing it up and almost cost a pick. That's what I'm saying, Suey. Wide open receiver on the right side, by the way. Is that a receiver? No, that's a receiver. A wide open receiver in the left corner. Carp is a cone. Wide open receiver right there. He was so wide open, bro. Oh well, it doesn't matter now. At least they got the first and goal. What could have been a touchdown. And just absolutely overthrows the receiver. Second and goal here. Carp is calling 9 a random. And it's picked off by Colorado. This game is a crazy game. I'm not even going to lie to you. Ball is down at the 4-yard line, way in Colorado's territory. Where is the quarterback? Ball snaps way back in their end zone as a blocker tosses a screenplay up the field as blockers gain a 12. It's going to be 2nd and 3 now. Ball snaps. I would not do 3. Yeah, smart choice by Wraith. Spin move, gain a 7. We're going to have 2nd and 15 now. Or sorry, 1st and 15. Yeah, so a carp is actually a cone, bro. I'm not even going to lie to you. Ball snaps. Wraith can easily run the ball. Doesn't. Tosses short and it's picked off. Give me 1 second to fix the clock. We got 2 minutes remaining in the half. Ball snaps. Almost sacked, but the blocker came in just at the right time, and Carp is going to run the ball. Dives for the first, and he is out. Gain of 18 there. And it's going to be 1st and 15 now. 1:49 remaining in the half. What are we doing? Still an 8v8, we're good. Ball snaps. Harp looking for an open receiver. Tosses. A little overthrow. He needs to lock in on that. 2nd and 15 now. A little over the receiver's head. Perfectly fine though. Yeah, I don't think his throwing is not like good today. It's probably because of the snow. And a sack of 20 yards. A 20-yard sack against Birmingham. It's going to be 3rd and 35. Ball is up. It's caught. Mello taking it for a gain of 56. It's going to be 1st and goal now. Got about a minute left in the half. Yep, we got a minute left now. As a blocker, not doing a great job though. Hurdles a defender. And he's sacked for a loss. And that will be the 1-minute warning. Your score here at the 1-minute warning, 21-14. Tie game in the first quarter. Colorado putting 7 on the board. About 48 seconds remaining in the half. 2nd and goal now. Ball snaps. I don't know why my clock isn't working. Here we go. Looking for an open receiver. Tossed up. It is caught for the touchdown. Birmingham with the late half touchdown. And they're going to be going for the extra point. It is up and it is good. We got a tie game here at the SEC Conference Championship game. Fix my clock. About 40 seconds remaining now. That's when he kicked short. Kicker was a little AFK there. Caught, has plenty blocks up the middle. And if he stays with these blocks, he gets a touchdown. And he's pushed out of bounds. A save play there by Birmingham. It's going to be 1st and 15 at the 48-yard line. Yeah, this is a burger battle. I'm not even going to lie to you. Ball snaps. Wraith looking for an open receiver. Decides to run. He gets boomsticked to gain of 5. 2nd and 10 now. 18 seconds remaining in this half. Sorry about the dogs in the background. Wraith down the field. A little overthrown the receiver. 10 seconds remaining in this half. 3rd and 10 now. Ball snaps. 8 seconds remaining, and a loss of 11, and a timeout is called. I believe this was on. Whoops, let me give them their timeouts back. That's going to be a timeout on Colorado. Give me 1 second to fix the clock super fast. We got 6 seconds remaining. 4th and 21. Ball snapped. I think he's going to bomb this. Up the middle. Way overthrown. And that is halftime. For our halftime report, we're going to look at our group results here. Sacramento leading the Big Ten Conference. We got LA, Los Angeles Tigers leading the ACC after their big win against the Boston Snowmen. Big 12 Conference, we got Atlanta leading the Roblox Warriors. And then we got Birmingham leading the SEC Conference. I'm going to let this play out and then go ahead and time back up and everything. 1st and 15, 3rd quarter. We got 3:54 remaining. Here we go. 3rd quarter, everything looks good. Yeah, none of them can catch. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Ball snaps. Harp looking for a receiver down the middle. It's picked off, and it's a fumble in the air. What the fuck just happened? Okay, well, he caught the ball. He got fumbled midair, and then he recovered the ball. It's gonna be 2nd and 4 now. Let's see if we can figure this out. Ball snaps. Wraith looking, and a sack of 17 yards. 3rd and 21, Birmingham's first sack of the game. 3rd and 21 now. We got about 3 minutes remaining in this quarter. Ball snaps, looking for a receiver. Everything's locked up, basically. Tossing upfield. It's picked off by Birmingham. What the fuck? Sorry, I'm lagging. I don't know if that's me or this player. He's taking it up the field and stops. So I guess we got players flinging themselves around. Yeah, I hope everybody saw that. Yeah, I don't know what the QB's thinking. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's me 1st and 15. Ball snaps. Carp looking. I don't know if it's me lagging or if it's the quarterback because I guess it's a pick. Mateo with the pick there. Oh, what is wrong with this car? There we go. Alright, well, I guess it's pick after pick, fumble after fumble. Ball snaps. Wraith looking for a receiver. He's sacked for a loss of 24. Down at their own 1-yard line. This is not good for Colorado. If they get a safety here, Birmingham starts leading the game here. Ball snapped. Wraith looking up the field. A gain of 4. It'll be 3rd and 36. Down at their own 4-yard line. Quarterback still in the end zone. Wraith looking. He's hit on the throw. It's still caught. And a gain of 21. It's 4th and 15 now. And it looks like we're going to have a punt. And it's a fake punt. Looking upfield, way overthrown. Incomplete. Ball snaps. Tossed upfield, and the receiver's a cone. All good, though. Ball snaps. Fix the clock here in 1 second. What in the fuck did I just see? The quarterback just got boomsticked out of bounds trying to throw the ball. And it hits the D lineman in the head. Toss, picked off, it's incomplete. And it's going to be a 42-yard attempt. It's up, and it is right in and good. Birmingham leading this game now, 24-21. It's the Cone Battle of Doom. About a minute left in the 3rd quarter. Stopped. And it's the 1st of 15. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Anytime now, Colorado. Ball snaps. Wraith looking for an open receiver if he can find one. Colorado's on lineman doing the job. It's just one. Wide open. Caught by Polar Bear. Spin move and a gain of 13. 2nd and 2 now. 35 seconds remaining. Ball snaps. It's kind of open over here. Yep, beautiful throw. Caught by Colorado, up the field. 1st and 15. Yo, what is my clock doing? A boomstick for a loss of 10. 4 seconds remaining. And that's going to be the end of the quarter. Birmingham leading this game 24-21 in the SEC Championship game. 2nd and 25 at the start of the 4th quarter. Ball snapped. Wraith looking for an open receiver, has one on the line of scrimmage. Jukes a defender, tries to hurdle another one, doesn't go on that. And it's going to be 3rd and 12. 3:40 left in the fourth quarter. Ball snaps. 3rd and 12 here. Looking for an open receiver. Almost got hit on that one. It's caught by Hunter. Beautiful play. And a gain of 22. It's going to be 1st and goal now. Got 3:09 left in the game. Tossed up middle. Colorado with the touchdown. Colorado throwing a screen play. Beautiful play there. Nobody guarding the receiver. And they're gonna go ahead and put 6 on the board. Adding 7 now. 28-24 is the score. I mean, they weren't more boring because Buffalo decided to, duck the fade or whatever. Not duck the fade, duck the game. Sorry. And got an FFL, but most of their players haven't been responding too, so kind of reasonable on that part. 2:57. Okay, ball is snapped. Carp trying to run the ball, not able to. Tosses upfield and overthrows all receivers. It's gonna be 2nd and 15. Let me fix that right here. Ball snapped. Harp looking for an open receiver. Tosses up middle. Receiver jumped way too early on that one. But it's going to be a 1st and 15 now. Almost could have been a pick there, but all good there. Hurdle's a defender, and it's a loss of 2. Second and 17 now. Harp looking around, tosses up, a little overthrown on the receiver. It's going to be 3rd and 17 now. Harp really needs to pay attention here if he wants to win this game. Up the middle and an absolute beam to the fucking goalpost. And it looks like we're going to have a 41-yard attempt. It is up, and it is good. Adding 3 points for... Oh, and we have an onside. It's kicked up. And it's caught by Colorado. And 1st and 15 now. Ball is snapped. Wraith looking for an open receiver. A 1-point difference here. Wide open. You need to watch that flat there. Gain of 15, I think. Yep, 2nd and inches. Wraith can run the ball. Not going to. He's going to play smart on this one. He tosses up. Caught by Hunter. Taking it up the field. A gain of 30. It's going to be 1st and goal now. Wraith taking it upfield and a touchdown for Colorado. (34-27) here. 1:37 remaining in the game. Ball is up and it is in and good. Whoops. 27, 35. There we go. Ball's caught. Taking it upfield. It's going to be Ray. Has some blocks. Jumps over defender, and it's going to be, I think it's set a 34-yard turn. Be wrong, though. 29. Ball is snapped. First and 15. A minute and 23 remaining. Deep throw. It's a little overthrown. Every ball Carp has thrown today, it has either been intercepted or overthrown or almost complete. Really, Carp needs to lock in right now. And let's give us one moment here. And a new play. Second and 15. Minute 21 remaining. Ball snaps. And Carp is hit on the throw. Tries to throw, but it's going to be out of bounds. Third and 15. I wouldn't call that grounding. If they call it grounding, it's actually fucking insane. But no, I wouldn't. Yeah, that's not grounding at all. Third and 15 here. We got a minute and 12 remaining in this game. Yo, what is going on right now? Where's the quarterback? Ball snaps. Toss is deep. 1v2. It's a caught for the touchdown. A miracle just happened for Birmingham. Oh, whoops. Okay. 6 now. 2-point conversion. He can run this ball. He can run the ball. What are we doing? Yo! I guess, bro? What the fuck? Yo. A 60? Yo, what are we doing? Oh my lord, bro. What are we doing? Let's fix the thing right here. I think the reason why they did that play is because Carp decided it's a good idea because, like, in my opinion, Carp did this play and had them jump on the goalpost because he overthrows every receiver. But I didn't think they would take it to that, like, I didn't think they would take it that far. Let's go for a fake. Alright, well. Oh, okay. Alright, well. This... Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, why can't I type 102 is time? Oh my god, bro. I guess I can't fucking type. Alright, well. Looking. Not able to get that one off. What the fuck was it? What is this play? What is this fucking play, bro? Holy hitbox, bro. What is this play? What are we doing? We'll just put the clock to 58 seconds. Got a 1 minute warning here. 35-33. Bluebirds down 2 points after what looks like the gayest fucking 2-point I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, we got 58 seconds remaining. First and 15 in this SEC championship game. Ball snaps. Wraith looking for a receiver. A fumble! And it's recovered. Excuse me. Oh my god. What did I just see, bro? Alright, second and 15. Ball snaps. Yeah, I'm putting this shit in my media channel. This is the worst play I've ever seen in my life. And we got a timeout. I believe this is by Birmingham? Could be wrong. Let's see. Yep, timeout by Birmingham. That's going to cost them 1 timeout just now. 32 seconds remaining. It's 3rd and 5. Let's fix that for you guys. Ball snaps. Wraith looking for a receiver. A down throw. A gain of 9 and a first down. And we got another timeout. Let's fix this for you guys. Birmingham with their second timeout just now. Now they have only 1 timeout remaining. It's 1st and goal with 24 seconds remaining. Ball snaps, looking for an open receiver. Might be able to run this ball. Open receiver, and he stops, and a timeout is called. And this will be, I believe, Birmingham's last timeout. Yep, Birmingham with 0 timeouts remaining. 10 seconds on the clock. 2nd and goal. This might be game here if they lock in. Yo. Oh no, that's wild. But yeah, I can probably go do that. Ball snapped. 8 seconds remaining. Birmingham really needs to lock in right here. And that's game. Let's see. Tosses upfield. Caught for the interception, but that's not going to do nothing. And that is the game.
What a game! The crowd is still on their feet after that incredible finish. That's the kind of football you'll be talking about for years to come.
And that is the game here. Colorado wins this game 35-33 over the number 4 ranked team, Birmingham Bluebirds. Colorado now goes 8-5 as Birmingham goes 10-4, which might have cost them their number 4 spot in the playoffs. All right, well, that is all of our conference championships. I'll do my best to get this final for this game on YouTube. I can get full game. I'll probably type in chat, should I do full game or highlights? I can do highlights, but full game is a little easier to post. If you want me to, I could do both. It'll just take a little bit longer. It'll probably be like 2 days, maybe, just because of all the the editing and good plays I need. But yeah, type in chat if you want a highlights, a full game, or both. Just do that real quick while I talk. Yep, so here is our conference results now. Let me just bring down the scoreboard. All right, our conference results. I'm going to update this while you guys check this out. So Birmingham, where are they at? So Blizzards, what are they now? 8-5. 8-5. Let me get the win percentage real quick. 66.7. And Birmingham is now 10-3. And that means they have a 76.9%. There we go. So now our conference results are updated. Birmingham still leads the SEC. Colorado still trails behind, down by 2 wins. In our Big 12 conference, we got the Atlanta Tridents leading Big 12. Then we got the Warriors 9-4, Memphis Kings 8-4, and then we got the trash ass Rushmore Rhinos 0-12. It's a little crazy there. The ACC, we got Los Angeles Tigers 12-0-1. Don't worry about the 0-1 right there. It's just I'll have a tie thingy right there. I put the percentages. I can take those out. Then we got Boston Snowmen 7-6. Dallas Gunslingers 6-6, and then the Calican Red Devils 1-5. And then in the Big Ten Conference, we got the Sacramento Coyotes 11-2, leading the Big Ten. Winchester is 9-2-1. Buffalo is now 10-3. They FFL'd against the Sacramento Coyotes in the Big Ten Conference Championship. Same with the Roblox Warriors. They FFL'd the Big 12 Conference. But I streamed the ACC Championship. I'm not going to post that because I was AFK half of it, so just to save everybody the time. But don't worry, this game was a lot better. It's more of a back and forth kind of thing, so I'll be able to post this. But yeah, so this is our conference results so far. Playoffs, they will be here once Matthew gets done with it, I believe. Name. Yeah, so second. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, I had it somewhere. Find it. Yep, so LA Tigers are number 1 seed. But Sacramento, I believe, is now the number 2 seed. Buffalo's number 3 seed. And then Atlanta's the 4th seed. Sorry about the dogs in the background. Birmingham remains the 5th seed, I believe. And then, yeah. But other than that, that's going to be the end of the stream. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, I'm going to put the highlights and the full game out. So if you guys just want to go check that out, you can. It'll be on my YouTube. I'll post it in my media channel in VFL Discord. But yeah, that's gonna be all. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. I'm gonna stream some more playoff games. Whenever the time comes, I'll let everybody know when I stream. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Peace out.